Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be showing you how to create quick videos using your iPhone and using the iOS platform. You can use these videos for your YouTube or any other social platform on which you are. So for this you need the latest version of iMovie software on your iPhone. You can download the iMovie software from Apple Store. Once the software has been downloaded, open the software. So you'll see an option to create a new project over here. Click on the plus button. So it will give you an option to create either a movie or a trailer. For video we need to create a movie, so we'll select the movie option. So once you select the movie option, it will take you to your camera roll. Make sure that you provide the application when you download it for your to access your files on the cell phone. If you have not provided the access for the application, then it will not open up the videos that you have recorded. So for making this video I have 3 clips recorded with the camera of my cell phone. You can see at the top left corner 3 videos of 20 second, 25 second and 20 seconds I have recorded using using the camera of my phone. You can create any kind of videos that you want. So these videos are taken just as an example. So I'll select all these 3 videos by clicking on them, and then I'll click on create movie, which is shown at the bottom of the screen. So this will take me to the editor option. So you can add any videos by any more videos by using the plus button over here. Once you click on the plus button, you'll go to videos, photos, or any kind of photos you can also add. So for creating these videos, I'll quickly show you how to do it. So all of these videos have their own default sound, which you can also these sound you can also mute if you want to add your own sounds. So for this you need to select the clip, and you'll see some options at the bottom. You can press this volume option and then press this option to mute the complete video. So once you've done that, you can also do other operations with it. You can freeze some sections of the video, which is not important for this video because we need to do it quickly. And you can also trim is a quick feature, so you can select the seek bar from left or right, and then you can drag it onto the left side or the right side to trim the video, but we are not going to do that. So we have muted the original audio. So now we can also add our own audio or any kind of sound that we want to the that we want to add to this clip. So we'll click on this plus button, and we'll go to audio. There are options which are provided by this application itself. So those are under soundtracks and sound effects. My music is the music that is saved on your device. So I'll select the options provided by the application. So I'll select the first one. So it will take some time to download. Okay, it has been downloaded. I'll select this option, and this option will start playing. I'll click on plus button, and it has been added to the first section of the clip. And this goes all the way through to the last, till the last one. I can add I can keep this one for only for the first frame by dragging it from here and all the way to here only, or I can keep it for the complete video. For the sound to appear, so it will appear on all these 3. So I'll mute all those 3 videos one by one. Okay, the sound has been added, the clips are there. So this provide an option. You can select it and select the different kind of transition that you want to do between your videos. You can do a dissolve where one video will dissolve to another, or you can slide one video onto another, then the second one will start, but we'll keep it to the default option, that is dissolve. So once you're done that, just click on done at the top left, and this will create a copy of the video. I'll again click on edit button to do some more edits. Okay, so the sound has been muted over here. I can add any kind of text that I want. So if I click on T button, it will give me an option to choose different kind of text. If I select the second option in the text, this will display a text at the bottom left, and this will display right in the center of the video. And I can edit this text as well by clicking on this text. What a beautiful world. And I'll click on done, and I can also add more text at the below. Snow peaks. Okay, so this has overwritten this one. I guess I selected the above one only. Yeah, this is selecting the above one only, but yeah, I can select all of these one by one. As you can see, I've just selected the second one. I'll write snow and done. I can remove the top one as I don't need it. Even if I don't enter anything, it will not take it. So we can either remove it or let it be like this without any text. I'll press done. This has been saved. I'll again open it to do a quick edit to see what more I can do in the quick edit options. The last one for the edit option is it provides filters for the application. Different kind of filters we can apply. So I can see if I choose the first one, it gives it, there's nothing. If I choose the second one, it does it black and white, and this one again enhances its color scheme. So different kind of options are there, like normal filter that we use in different applications. I'll select the last one and I'll press done. Okay, so our video is complete. We've finished all the edits. So now I'll quickly play the video and I'll show you how it has been created from start till the end. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.